In this video, we are going to see how we can view any of the saved passwords you have in Brave browser. So what we need to do is just click on the three lines at the top right hand corner. And once you click here, just click on the settings at the bottom. And on the left hand side, we see this autofill and passwords option right here. Just click on that. And then we want to head over to the passwords manager. Here you can see the list of all the passwords you have. You can also add the password if you want to. So if you click, let's say, on add, it will ask you for which site do you want to enter the password, what is the username and password for that site. So whenever you save that password and head over to that particular website, it will automatically recommend you to enter that password. Similarly, this option in the settings should be enabled, offer to save passwords and pass keys. So every time, even if you don't go in this option and you just access a fresh website, it will still ask you the option to save that for you. We can also import the passwords if we save a CSV file for it. So it can save a lot of passwords within a single go. And here, if you want to delete all the passwords together, it says delete all passwords, manage your data. You can delete the data from here. So that's how you do it. That's how you view the saved passwords on Brave browser. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.